Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back. And this week, if you see markets moving up so much, and as I had said that if the markets have to do a V-shaped recovery, it will be very fast. And talking about Nifty also, if you see Nifty making a very good green candle. So are we going to move up? Surely it looks like in the weekly chart that we will continue to move up, and it will be very good to take a buy on dip stance given that the market is getting we are getting closer to the election results. So today's basically this week's stance will be a buy or dip stance, right? Any dip that we get, we will go ahead and take a buying position in Bank Nifty as well as Nifty also. Now, last week on Thursday, FIs had their highest short positions. That is they had 2,58,000 short contracts in index futures. But as of Friday's closing, they just have 15,000 short contracts left. That is a very big basically square short, basically you can say short covering that they have done, and because of that the markets have started to move up, right? Because of this we have seen such a good short covering in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this week also, until unless we see any sort of a very bearish trigger in the market or very bearish price action, we will only think about taking buying position at lower levels. So for Nifty, in the weekly charts, looks like a buy on dip area, and maybe we might not even get a dip if FIs are too quick in covering the short positions and making long positions. And in Bank Nifty also same thing, looks like a very good buy on dip setup in Bank Nifty also. And until unless 48,500 is held, Bank Nifty can also continue to move up in par with Nifty, or at least, or even go to go further than Nifty, or outperform Nifty. So for Bank Nifty, the important level will be 48,600 to 500. This area will be very important for Bank Nifty, and for Nifty the important level will be 22,800 to 750. Or 22,900 will also act as a little bit of support, but the best area to take a long position in Nifty would be 22,800 to 750, and in Bank Nifty it will be 48,600 to 48,500. These areas will be the best if you want to take a bullish position and carry it for higher targets on the upside. But yes guys, one more thing before going on further into the analysis is that I've just released my podcast episode today. So go ahead and watch the podcast, or not even watch, just listen to the podcast, because this is a very good podcast which will help you be updated with what is happening in the market. I've talked about a lot of things, how the FOMC minutes came last week and what can we expect regarding that, and all the FIS action, what you can do in the exit polls also. So yeah, do definitely check out, the podcast is available on all platforms, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music, and yeah, more platforms are also coming in just a couple of weeks. But yes, for now I hope this is enough. But yes, let's continue with the analysis over here. Talking about Nifty, as I said, lower levels. As soon as we get a dip, we will go ahead and take a buying position. Bank Nifty also, as soon as we get a dip, we will go ahead and take a buying position. Now, if tomorrow you see that the market has opened flat or anything, market has come down and it is again, let's say market has come down below 22,900 and it is again going back about 22,900. So we'll go into the 15-minute chart and I'll tell you exactly what do I mean by that. If let's say the market opens flat somewhere near 22 950 940 920, all these levels, and market starts to break 22,900, which is this level, right? Basically this day's low over here. If market starts to break, and if the market starts to take support from 20,840 to 850 levels itself and starts to see very good buying, starts to see some sort of a V-shaped recovery, then as soon as we go back again about 22,900, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish position over here till the target of 23,000 first of all, and then you can also keep higher targets of 23,100, right? Or you can also book a little bit before that at 23,050 itself if you don't want to hold for a very long time, right? But if we do not take a very good support from 20,840 to 850, then we will let the market come down a little bit more till 22,800 to 750. This area over here, 800 to 750, will act as an extremely good support. And anywhere if you see over here market making positive price action in 15-minute chart, right? I'm saying 15-minute chart because it will give you a better confirmation and a more less chance of that confirmation being false. So anywhere in this area, if you see markets making positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from here itself. We can again expect the market to go and close at higher levels. However, if we close at lower levels, then chances are that we will see volatility for maybe 1 or 2 days, and after that we will again continue this up move over here, or at least consolidate over there. Now I do not think that we will see a lot of downside from here, but on the upside also we will need to book profits fast, because as the elections are coming closer, things will start to get much more volatile, right? And one more thing, on Friday, if you are taking any sort of a bet which is on a technical basis, so looking at any sort of technical price action or technical pattern, please square off that position. Only keep your positions that you've taken in basically in anticipation of the election results. If there is if you don't have um, any such position, then it's better to square off on Friday, because on Monday we will open with a very big gap up or a gap down, most probably, because on Saturday and Sunday we have the exit polls that are going to come in the market, right? That are going to get released, right? Anyways, talking about Bank Nifty, 48,600 to 500, very good area to take a long position. Again, in this area, if you see markets coming and making a positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from here itself in Bank Nifty also. Now, one more thing is that if the market starts to take support from 48,700 to 650 itself, maybe Bank Nifty might not come all the way down to 48,600 to 500 and take a little bit of support from this area itself. Then over here also, if you see market making positive price action in 15-minute chart and at least going back up till 50% of the trend, right? By 50%, I mean if from 49,000 to 48,700, it is 300 points. At least if the market goes above 48,800 again and also makes positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from this area itself, and you don't need to wait till 48,600 to 500, because maybe if the FIs get a little bit of dip also, they might again think about squaring off their short positions. So yeah guys, that is the thing that we need to look out for if we get the market at lower levels, right? If we open with a gap up on, let's say, Monday, if we open with a gap up above 49,000, then also we are looking at a bit of a bullish momentum in the market. But at that point, we will not take a position outright as soon as we open. We will let the market come down near 48,950 to 49,000, and over here if you see that the market is taking very good rejection from the lower levels and again making very good green candles, then we will go ahead and take a bullish trade again from here with a target of 49,200 first of all, and then 49,400. But I think it will be very good to book somewhere near 49,200 to 300 itself, book all of your profit somewhere near 49,200 to 300, and not hold for a long time, because as I said, the volatility will be very high, and FIs have already covered a majority of their short positions in this up move. So now they don't have a lot of contracts to cover. So now things will start to get a little bit volatile until the elections. So book your profits a little bit fast over here. Don't wait for a long time. If we open flat and start crossing 49,000, I would not recommend going bullish over here. Rather, if we open flat, wait for the market to come down a little bit in this area, as I said, the areas that I've mentioned, and from there go ahead and take a bullish trade. Because what can happen is that market might open flat, make a very good green candle, and then again come back down in the same candle itself. So but just make a wick on the upside, and then again starts to come back down. However, for Nifty, if we open flat or with a small gap up somewhere near 23,000 also and start crossing 23,025, then we can see a good momentum in Nifty, because Nifty is looking it looks like Nifty has taken a little bit of pullback. So now Nifty can also still continue its up move till 23,100 at least. So in Nifty, if we go about 23,025 after opening flat, you can think about taking a bullish position in Nifty till the target of 23,100 on the upside. But in Bank Nifty, I wouldn't recommend taking a bullish position over here. If we open up the gap up, let the market come down, and then if the market is again starting to go up, then you can think about taking a bullish position. So yeah guys, that was it for this week. Again, we will take a bullish stance in this week also, given how FIs are basically behaving with their positions. But yes, keep in mind that things will be volatile, so don't hold your positions for a very very long time. Book quick profits, or even if you want to hold your positions for a long time, book book half of your profits and let the other half run, right? So again, I hope this is very clear, and again, do listen to the podcast because it is going to be very useful for you, and it will definitely help you be very updated with what is happening, what are the major things that are going to happen or have happened in the market. So yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.